Hello and welcome back to my networking tutorial. Today we are going to give our PC or laptop fixed IPv4 address. This is important because IP is our identity in network. Networking depend upon four things. They are IP address, subnet mask, default gateway and DNS server. In our PC or laptop, default IP is obtained automatically. We don't have to configure if we don't want to be in network. Let's make our PC to used IP address given by us. Let's begin. At first we have to know what is our current DNS server, subnet mask and default gateway. Let's find out. Go to Run and open CMD, command prompt. Then type, IP protocol configuration, ipconfig, then enter. All information will be displayed. Do not close it. Now, open Run Console and type NCPA.CPL. Or search for network and internet setting on search bar. Network connection is displayed. Choose that network type which you want to configure. I am selecting Ethernet connection. Right click on it. Option will arrive and select properties from that. Then on networking tab select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, click on properties below. Box will appear, choose use the following IP address. Now insert your IP displaced on CMD. In alternative DNS server you can type 8.8.8.8. This is Google DNS server address. If you want to add more DNS server you can select Advanced button. If you are OK then click OK, then close all tabs. Now your IP is configured to this IP. Thank you. Next video will come soon. Please like and subscribe our channel for more videos.